Just here, cleaned out the van a bit. Got some wood ready. I think me and the wife are going out Thursday night. Not sure yet, but gotta clean this up a bit. And my water. I notice here this is a USB. Hit up top, water comes out, but I'm looking inside now and it's frozen. So tip of the day is don't leave the water jug in the van in the winter. But I guess that's what happens there. So I'll take that out, let it unthaw. I'll just get bottles of water each time I go, because to keep this in all winter, it's really not feasible. It's going to freeze up. You know, the plastic's going to crack. I should have really known anyway, but things happen, right? So what I'll do, I'll take that out, disconnect the top. This here all comes out like this anyway. Twists off. See, and that comes out of there. What it is, just a tube that goes into your water. It's all charged by USB. But that's no good to use that in the winter. So I should have known really, but silly me, forgot all about it. And now she's frozen. So we'll take this out, put that away somewhere. And as you can see down there, she's ice. So that's not a good setup. Not good at all. Disconnect all that. Take that in the house. Gotta clean this place out. See, I put that in the light. See all the ice in there. Yeah. Unless you got heat in here at all times, it's good to keep one of these here. Or if you got warm weather year round, but not here in Nova Scotia. It's not feasible to keep that in all winter. So I can up and go at any time, right, any weekend or day through the week, but couple days, cold, -3, 5, whatever it is, freezing. Yeah, that'll just be like that. So, but my batteries are staying good. My battery, I should say, I got one 12-volt battery, 100 amps in there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 100%. That's my inverter there. You know, my 20-volt. Oh, look at the house there. 3 plugs there, and USB in that. Yeah, it's all set up for that. But it's all ready to go. The batteries are good. My battery in the winter here, it'd be all right with my solar on the roof. But there's my wood. Good to take your wood with you. Definitely good to take the wood with you. Tips of the day, because you might go there in the woods and all wet wood. So these are like hardwood chunks buddy mine gave me. Just keep them in the van, keep them warm and dry. And little tips to keep you going. Right? But main thing is, do not leave your water jug in the van if it's not going to be heated for any couple days or so. So that's my tip for the day. Couple tips on camping anyway. Make sure your cooler, you know, you don't have any old food in there from previous camping trip. Clean that out, right? Clean that and throw it out. Or pop can explode, the cans of pop or bottles, whatever. So, you know, if you're not keeping the thing heated up, you don't want to keep stuff like that in here. You get smells, and if a pop blows in here, it'll be all sticky everywhere. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. You know, tips and tricks on camping and daily talk time with Jamie. I'm going to start doing that a little bit here. And that'll be all good. Love you all. Appreciate y'all. Let's grow together. See you down the road. Thank you.